what I really noticed was that all the sessions were really packed. People were sitting on the floor. It is really getting a lot of traction and a lot of attention also during this conference. Splashing moment in the keynote was where Google announced their own chip, right? To do their own CPU. So I'm also wondering what you guys are thinking about that. Do you think it's a cool innovation?
I think it's pretty cool. When I saw like Thomas Courier and TK coming up with the CPU, I thought it's just like a regular Intel CPU, like what's the buzz? But then I saw the ARM CPU for their servers. I thought it's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm a big fan of it. I want to see what it can do, of course, for customers.
In a couple words, I mean, freaking awesome. So yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
What does it bring for the customers?
Yeah, I'm not the biggest hardware geek, so I love to keep it with the guys that know everything about this. But what I can imagine is if you have a new chip that you come out with, it's just that much more of AI and intelligence that you pack within your own chip that'll just help, in my case, of which I can speak of, everything that is GCP related and workspace related to be that much faster and work better for our end customers. And so that's something that I can only cheer on.
Yeah, I think more efficiency, but I think what's also pretty cool, it also shows the dedication and innovation of Google.
Yes.
Make sure they're able not consuming NVIDIA, Intel, AMD, but also building their own CPU, their chip.
Yeah, sure. And of course, what you also notice that it is a custom chip, right? So Google has custom designed their own chip for their own data centers. So I think they expressed some pretty bold claims in terms of efficiency, performance, and all kinds of things like that. So I think the headlines are around 30 to 60% better price to performance ratio compared to existing chips. So yeah, I'm really expecting a lot of customers to move away from existing instances in favor of these chips.
Anything else what you've seen around if we elaborate more on the infrastructure part of the whole event?
Yeah, so a number of things. So next to their own custom chip, they released an entire new generation of computational instances, which is sort of the base layer of everything infrastructure in Google Cloud. So essentially the virtual machines. But in reality, it's also powering your AI workloads, your databases, and things like that. And again, so more performance. In theory, also a bit more efficient. So yeah, I think only nice things. Continuing with infrastructure, the whole GenAI infrastructure architecture have been improved. I think those were the two headliners really.